ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਇੱਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਸਤਿਨਾਮ ਕਰਤਾ ਪੁਰਖ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨਿਰਵੈਰ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਅਜੂਨੀ ਸੈਭੰ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦ ਜਪ ਆਦਿ ਸੱਚ जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच वाहिगुरु हाँ जी I want to ask you one thing that we are talking about our lives, your life, my life, but how profoundly and how profoundly you are conscious about what we are talking about, how important you feel it is for us. When I say that we are talking about our lives, I don't mean that our lives as long as we are in these bodies. Our consciousness, which is we, can never die. So what I mean by that is that starting today till infinity, what type of person we want to be. We should not think that I have heard it and I feel its importance. I'm sure you do. But the degree of importance, the profoundness of understanding of this question before us, that matters. When this thing starts dwelling within us, when this thing starts following us like a shadow, that is when we should feel that I am concerned about my being, about my personality. When with His blessing and our thirst, we become so deeply desiring to become a very beautiful person. Then one thing would happen for sure, and that would happen in our eyes. Our eyes will become longing eyes, longing. Whenever they look outside, they would look at others, not to judge them, not to find faults in them, but to find virtues, to find the beautiful things in others. And then the deep desire to have that virtue in us. That longing would be seen in our eyes. Our eyes will become curious and remain curious all the time. What can I learn from here? How can I become more beautiful person? If we see somebody talking and we watch that person, and if we like something in that person, then our eyes would become the desiring thing. Through our eyes, that desire will enter into us, that I want to be like that. We should become aware about ourselves. That when I look out, do I look out to find faults in others, to criticize them? Or I look outside for myself. I want to learn beautiful things, how to become beautiful. We start watching ourselves rather than watching others. This revolution comes into our lives when this longing starts dwelling in us. We start remaining fresh in every sense of the word, and a very deep sense of happiness and some contentment starts living in us. Hanji. The way we treat things, seemingly lifeless things, the way we open the door of our car or shut the door of our car, the way we handle the clutch, the way we handle the steering wheel, the way we look, they matter so much. The way our behavior with our cars, our behavior with our clothes, our behavior with our shoes, socks, when we put them on or take them off, that behavior does not remain limited to the things. That behavior remains, that's how we behave with others. And if we are not respectful towards the things, we cannot be respectful towards others. This is very important. When we are not respectful about others, then our consciousness says, I don't care. And the same thing we do with our relations with other people. I was saying that in 2016, Ellen MacArthur Foundation, this company did a survey that the people who, after using things, they throw them carelessly, unrespectfully, what type of their relationships are with people. And the results were so astounding. They found that, like we drink water out of a bottle, and then if we throw that away carelessly, unrespectfully, the survey showed that the same way those people behave with other people. This is how their relationships starts being thrown out, just like that bottle was thrown. When we start understanding the value of being more and more beautiful people every day, then one thing starts entering into our lives, that we become conscious that in order to become more loving, in order to become more compassionate, in order to become more humble, in order to become more caring and all that, I have to unite with my Creator within through meditation. Then our attitude towards Gurbani, our attitude towards Sadh Sangat, our attitudes towards meditation will change. And when we hear Maharaj Ji say anything that would make us shudder. Sab tan man hariya huya, man khidya hariya baag. My body and mind, they become so rejuvenated, fresh, nourished, full of life, full of happiness, like a beautiful garden, blossomed garden. Jan Nanak jeeve dekh har, ek nimkh kadi mukh lag. Oh my beloved, please let me feel you. Let me dwell with you. By dwelling with you, I becoming more loving, innocent, compassionate, humble, more beautiful. Jan Nanak jeeve dekh har. Vaheguru, Rab rakh.